This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Elisa Stephens. Truly magnificent Halos model. Crisp, cool, neutral decor. Fabulous open floor plan. Sumptuous primary suite. Privacy for guests. Barely lived in, better than new. Tankless water heater, gas cooktop, quartz in kitchen and baths. Beautiful interior lot. Outstanding home and an outstanding value. Living in this home will be a dream come true. Medley at South Shore Bay is a private, gated, 55+ fantastic community where you can do as much or as little as you want. The resort-style clubhouse features a ballroom, gym, card rooms, shows and entertainment. Live music, DJ and karaoke parties, pickleball, bocce ball, a tropical beach entry pool, indoor and outdoor dining and full bar service. You can also participate in many clubs and outings with your neighbors. As an owner in Medley, you also enjoy full membership at the 5+ acre South Shore Bay Crystal Lagoon. In addition to the Tot splash pad, obstacle courses and swimming, your whole family will have a blast at the movie nights, poker nights, cigar nights, dance parties, full bar, swim-up bar, food trucks, fireworks displays, holiday celebrations and golf cart parades. Isn't this why you moved to Florida? All dimensions approximate. All information contained herein deemed accurate but subject to buyer verification. One-time $2,150 capital contribution due from buyer at closing. For more information, review the details below or contact Elisa Stephens at 561-929-2269 cell.